The BMW X5. Come over here. And as you can see, we have somebody. Hey, we're just kids. We're just kids. So, as you can see, the awesome BMW logo. And then, onto the back. And I'm just going to be right back. You can show them the back. Can you...
The BMW X5. It's a new model. And it's... this is a license plate.
Yep. That's the car. Now
the car model.
Okay, that's good. And yeah. Now we're... Stop. Stop the car. Stop the car. There. So yeah, we have the car so far, and we're going to show you this. Watch. You go in here, and you grab this. What? Is it working? Why isn't this thing working? Don't worry, guys. I hope I'll get it soon. Is the trunk even unlocked?
Dad, can you open the garage? I mean the... Can you open the trunk?
Yeah, so here's the trunk opening automatically. Then there's this. Then I'm gonna get something like here. I might get okay, just you. Okay, I'm gonna get a golf club. Particular one. And then I'll watch this. If I do that. I do it. I'm trying to do it because I have a golf club and okay. What?
Use the other side.
That side. Oh, here. And watch. Closes automatically. So yeah. So now we're going to show you all the details inside. We have two men laughing. So first we'll show you the back. So here's the back. Come in, Hannah. And yeah, here's the back. Temperature gauge. Everybody, oh, well. So and yeah, there's light under here.
Oh, and this is the coolest thing. It has this little thing like like a cup holder.
Yes.
Oh, and can you turn on that light, please?
Okay.
Yeah. And then yeah. Oh, and then what? And then yes.
And then if we go outside,
just put that back.
yeah. Don't show them the interior. That part yet. We're gonna get out here, and I'm gonna show you the best part. Get out here.
Not actually the best part, as some people like it.
Ready? Watch. Hear this. Did you hear that? When you come over here, right inside the door. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at the front. So yeah, we have our horn. Hi. Hey! And then we have...
Hi, Harry.
Here's the...
Stop
this car is, as you know, automatic. Then there's, yeah. And then... Are we allowed to turn the car on? Can we do it? Can we do it? Okay. We're going to turn the car on. Come in here. Like, I'll let you go right there. Watch. Watch this. Watch this. So, watch right there. Watch. What? Watch. Oh.
That's so cute.
We need a key, but I just want to show you that.
Shut the motor off.
So you need a key. So yeah. So we're gonna get out of here.
Move, Harry.
And then yeah.
Get out.
Then we're gonna show you something. see if we can open the hood. There. Ready? Ready?
Watch your fingers.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot hear.
Why are you putting on the thing so much? So yeah, this car does have technical injuries. As you can
Technical difficulties. Technical
now we're
difficulties.
gonna try it. No, it's not working. Oh, here we go. So this car, it is. If we come,
Twin powder turbo, and please do not go on there.
okay, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna look at tin power turbo BMW X5. I don't know how much liters it is. I'm still looking. Okay. And yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's a BMW. I love that logo. And then yeah, that's about it. So as you remember, guys, this was a BMW X5 from Hannah and Hannah's channel. And remember, guys, always look at the BMW sign.